herbs are widely known for its savory and aromatic properties that are used for flavoring and garnishing food. But, do you know that there are herbs that can heal? Here are 10 herbs that heal. Are you coughing because of phlegm? Add rosemary. The eucalyptol in this aromatic herb is study proven to loosen chest congestion, making phlegm easier to expel. Plus, rosemary is rich in anti-inflammatory tannins, which soothe a sore throat. Rosemary goes well with white beans, potatoes, polenta, and apples. Do you have a crampy tummy? Add mint. Peppermint contains menthol, a natural plant compound that relaxes pain-inducing intestinal spasms. This reduces belly discomfort by 40%. Peppermint goes well with eggplant, tomatoes, melon, and green peas. Girls, having a menstrual cramps? Add oregano. Enjoying 2 teaspoons of fresh oregano daily during menstruation reduces or eliminates cramps. That's because this herb's thymol and carvacrol relax uterine muscles to prevent painful contraction. Oregano goes well with mushrooms, tomatoes, olives, and squash. Are you suffering from an achy joints? Add curry powder. The curcumin in curry inhibits the body's production of prostaglandin E2, an inflammatory compound that oversensitizes nerves. This blunts joints and muscle pain as effectively as prescription medication. Curry powder goes well with lentils, rice, cauliflower, and spinach. Is your GI tract upset? Add dill. Indian scientists found that dill's limonene works as well as prescription antibiotics at killing harmful bacteria such as E. coli. Dill goes well with cucumbers, beets, and carrots. Do you feel bloated? Add parsley. Parsley is a natural diuretic that relieves bloat-inducing water retention by preventing salt from being reabsorbed into bodily tissue. Parsley goes well with pasta, tomatoes, grains, and onions. Stuffy and congested? Add cayenne. The fiery capsaicin in cayenne deactivates a neurotransmitter that linked to inflammation. The result is less sinus congestion and pressure. Cayenne goes well with leafy greens, beans, soups, and rice. Feeling down? Add basil. The eugenol and rosmaric acid in basil boost the brain's production of dopamine and serotonin. Basil goes well with tomatoes, pizza, pasta, and olives. Feeling tired? Add cilantro. The carboxylic acid in cilantro binds to heavy metals such as mercury in the blood and carries them out of the body. Their removal reverses the toxin buildup that causes chronic fatigue, joint pain, and depression. Cilantro goes well with avocados, corn, black beans, and curries. Having a nausea? Add ginger. Ginger's gingerol and shogal calm digestive tract spasms to reduce nausea better than motion sickness drugs. Ginger goes well with potatoes, miso soup, rice, and pears.